I'm Emily Mallory of Emily's Papercrafts. Thanks so much for joining me today. I want to show you how to create a very super simple little vase to put your flowers in. We made flowers last time, so if you missed that episode, go back and watch it so you'll have something beautiful to put in your little vase. Let's get started. So you'll need a 6-inch square piece of paper, which is 15 centimeters in case you're buying pre-cut origami paper. I want the green side to be showing when I'm done, so I'm going to start with the white side up. I'm going to take the bottom point and fold it to the top to create a triangle. And then this next fold is kind of sneaky because we're not actually going to fold it. We're just making a little mark so we know where to fold the next step. So we're going to take this top layer and we're going to fold it down so that the top edge here meets with the bottom edge. But again, we're not going to crease it down. It's going to look like I'm going to crease it because I'm going to line it up. And then up here, I'm going to make just a little tiny, soft little fold. So I can see exactly where it was. I'm going to take this side point on the right and I'm going to fold it to that little indent that I just made. This makes such a super quick and easy little vase for our flowers. Next, we're going to take this other point and we're going to line it up with over here. You might be familiar with this pattern as the origami cup. It's a super basic starter origami project, but it makes such a cute, perfect little vase. I couldn't resist doing it. So then we're going to take this top layer of green and we're going to fold it over. And then just like that, you have your vase finished. If you want, you can tuck this back piece inside the vase, or you can just leave it out so it looks like it's a wrapping around a bouquet of flowers. So then, if you watched the origami flower episode from last time, you'll know how to make some flowers. You can put 2, 5, 10, just fold it over my pipe cleaner stem and just tuck them in there to create a little bouquet. Perfect to leave on someone's doorstep. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.